Welcome back to the series on creating faceless reels and making money from home. In this episode, we're diving into how to create engaging, scroll-stopping content that will captivate your audience, and all while keeping your face hidden. Before we start filming, it's very important to think about your audience. What do they want to see? Are they looking for entertainment, tips, or tutorials? Think about how your reel can bring value to their day. Understanding your audience needs is key to creating content that resonates. Keep your niche and target audience in mind when planning the reel. Now let's talk about hooks. The first few seconds of your reel are crucial. You want to grab attention immediately. This can be done using interesting visuals, text overlays, and even a surprising sound effect. A hook could be something as simple as a bold statement or question. Something like, "Want to know the secret to making money from home?" It actually makes viewers want to, stick around. Sound is everything, whether it's background music or a catchy voiceover. Sound can make or break your reel. So choose music that fits the vibe of your content and matches the emotion you want to convey. You don't need to show your face to create an emotional connection. Music and sound effects are powerful tools to draw your audience in and to make them feel something. Now, let's talk about text. Adding captions or on-screen text can help explain your reel, emphasize your message, or make your content more engaging. You should keep it short and sweet to maintain the flow. The text should be clear and easy to read, and it should complement the visuals. Don't overcrowd the screen. Use text to highlight key points and add context to your reel. Here's a tip. Change up your shots and angles to keep things interesting even though you're not showing your face. Switching from side to side, from wide to close-up shots keeps your audience engaged and excited about what comes next. Change your perspective. You don't need complex equipment. Just a simple tripod and some creativity will do wonders. Remember that content creation is a process of trial and error. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles, formats, and hooks. Monitor how your audience responds to your reels and adjust accordingly. Check the performance of your reels. This will help you figure out what works best and refine your content strategy. That's it for today's episode, guys. Now that you know how to make your faceless reels more engaging, go out there and start creating. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. And remember, stay creative. Ciao, ciao.